Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. Today we are going to start your third periodic syllabus. So the first chapter that we are going to do is chapter 14. Okay, the use of is, are and am. Okay, we are going to learn the use of is, are and am. So, there are some new students in your class. Read the way they introduce themselves and how they are welcomed in the class. So, here are some conversation of the new students that have come to your class. So, let us start. Hello, I am Reena. My family is from Delhi. So, you can see am and is. The words are used over here. Pleased to meet you all. I hope you are happy to be here too. So again, are you see? He is Soham. He and I are friends. We are sure you will like it here in our class. So someone is saying this. Then I am Reena's twin sister, Tina. We are alike in many ways. So they are twin sister and the use of am, are, is shown over here. Okay. So what does these highlighted words indicate? So the highlighted words have namely is, are and am, a various form of the verb be. So we know verbs are doing word and these are the various forms of the verb be. Okay. They are used to talk about nouns. What are they used for? Is, are, am. They are used to talk about nouns. Okay. They are called helping verbs. So these are what? These are the helping verbs. For example, I am Priya's friend. We are going home. These cats are wild. She is my sister. The dog is hurt badly. That building is very tall. Okay. So over here, what they do? They are the helping verbs. Am, are, is, these are all the helping verb. And which form are they? Which form of verb are they? They are the be form of verbs. Okay. So now we will move on towards the using am, is and are. So what are they used and how are they used? Am is used to talk about self. When do we use am? When we talk about self, about ourselves. Like I am 10 years old. I am very happy today. What does the sentence say? About I am. Okay, about me. Okay, that I am 10 years old, that I am very happy. Now next is are. When are these used? Is or are is used to talk about other people. So we use this when we talk about other people, animals, places and things. When we talk about others. Like Diwali is called the festival of lights. Okay, so what are we talking about? About Diwali, and that is the festival of lights. You are very pretty. So this shows that we are describing someone else. Okay, now we use are with singular and plural nouns. Okay, when do we use are? With singular as well as plural nouns. Like you are a good girl. All of them are brave boy. So brave boys. Over here you see plural and over here singular, but still we can use are with both. Now let us see how is, am, are used in singular and plural forms. You see, to talk about self, when in singular form, am, and when it is in plural, it becomes are. So I am, then we are. To talk about the person who is addressed, when we talk about other person, what do we use in singular? You are, and in plural also we use you are. To talk about other people, places or thing. So when we talk about other people, places or thing, then he is, she is, it is in singular and they are in plural. Okay, so this was the explanation of the chapter. Okay, the use of is, are and am. Okay, when they are used in singular, when they are used in plural, what happens. Okay, now we will quickly move on towards the exercise of this chapter. So what are we supposed to do? Take the sentences where is, am or are are correctly used. So one has been done for you. So we have to see which sentence the is, am and are correctly used. So my friends are in Darjeeling now, which is the correct statement. Mona's puppy is very frisky. This is also a correct sentence. You is welcome to sit here. You is, this is a wrong one. It are again, this is not a sentence to, this is wrong sentence. We cannot start it are in the beginning, okay? So it are winter in the north, this is a wrong sentence. The postcards are very beautiful. So this is a correct sentence. Those children is my friend. So is for singular, okay? So over here children, that is plural. So this sentence is wrong. She am a very reliable friend. We use am only with I. So this is again a wrong sentence. I am at home now. So you see I am, which is a perfect sentence. Okay, so we have completed the first part of the exercise. Now the second part of the exercise. Underline the correct helping verbs in the sentences. One has been done for you. So in the brackets given, you have to see the suitable helping verbs which suit with the sentence. Okay, like first one is done. Shimla is very cold in winter. Next one, my father is fond of climbing mountains. Okay, we, see, we means plural. We are settled in New Delhi. Okay, I, with I we use am. Okay, I am the only child of my parents. Then there are many members in my family. So many, that means plural. You are, you, with you we use are. You are very fond of cooking. So this was the second part of the exercise. Okay, you are supposed to solve it, okay, by seeing the video and try to solve it on your own. Try to learn this. Now the last and the third part of this exercise, we have to fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Okay, whichever is suitable, we have to put that. So I, with I we use am. Okay, so with I we used am. I am eating strawberries. Your cookies, so cookies means plural, so your cookies are delicious. Meera, Ved and Dev dash friends. More than one, not singular, it is plural, then we use are friends. Meera, Ved and Dev are friends. This book dash about a clown. So it's singular, this book is about a clown. Then my sisters, so plural, my sisters are older than I am. Dash it going to snow tonight. Is it going to snow tonight? So it's a question. So I have solved the exercise for you. I would request you to do it in your books. Try to complete this chapter. Read the uses of is, am and are. Go through the exercise. Try to learn it, okay, for your third periodic test. And that was all for today's class. Thank you.